Since the filming of the last 4 episodes, it has always rained. So I decided to dedicate an episode to magnificent, splendid, epic, flat, boring, cloudy days. And for today, the forecast predicted it would be rain. But look at that, the sun. So I'm looking for salamanders and quiet place. But there is a chainsaw, a caterpillar and a motorbike race. So today will be fun. Okay, now I'm walking near the river, searching for salamanders and hoping to find one, because I found one salamander some minutes ago, but it ran away. Spotting them is really hard sometimes because they are small and there are a lot of leaves and sticks and stuffs, and it's really hard. Yep. Today I'm here next to the Galantina river near Monte Tancia between Rieti and Rome. I'm going up and down the river, but still nothing. We need patience. But wait, look at that, look at that. Here's one. Hey, how are you? Goodbye shoes and clean feet. It's quite cold. I put the salamander on a small rock and I try to photograph it using the extension tube that increase my macro capacity. I try with 5.6. It's quite good. Now I'm trying with my 16 to 55. I have some problem with my shadow, maybe here. Okay. I'll use a discrete large aperture, f8, I guess. Try 23 millimeters. Okay. See what we get. Okay, now I'm leaving the river for a moment to reach the magnificent Devil waterfall. The road is quite steep and a bit hard. Okay, we are here to get some extras. Look at the waterfall, it's beautiful, stunning. And also the river that flow away. Look at that small canyon, it's beautiful. Green leaves on black background, awesome. Okay, now it's time to take some image. I really love the color of that moss. Green, strong green. And the fairy tales of this waterfall. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. If you want to see some other pictures of that beautiful waterfall, see the previous episode. It's dedicated only to that waterfall. I took this image by placing the camera at the same height as the salamander in order to recreate its perspective, or the perspective of its prey. In doing so, I made it look bigger than it actually is. I really love playing with perspective. And to do so, I often use my 50 to 140 and macro extension tubes. They really help in such situations. Anyway, I put the subject in the highest third to enhance the bokeh and the drops of water in the foreground. Doing that, I gave an important information about the habitat, humid. Then I tried to change perspective, but the second photo doesn't have the same strength of the first one. I was trying to equalize reflection on the salamander skin to fantastic bokeh effect due to the lights on the drops of water on the rocks, but it seems not really to work. In the last image, I wanted to include the salamander in its habitat, so I choose 23 focal length. And how you can see, I choose very well the rock on which I placed the salamander. It seems to replicate the texture of its skin. And then I include the pond in the background to contextualize the subject. I think that this image worked quite well in the end. Okay, we arrive at the end of this episode. This weird episode, really, because we took pictures of salamanders, not commons. But if you like it, I would be immensely grateful if you sign up to my channel. I don't know really if you hear me because of the motorbikes and the waterfall and the caterpillar and the chainsaw, and I would be immensely grateful if you sign up to my channel. With this small gesture, you can really help me grow and prepare more videos. The release date of my next episode is on the cover on my channel here on YouTube. But until then, arrivederci. It's me, Mario!